You can use the pattern stamp to add all kinds of colour effects as well as just standard filter effects. Open a document, go to Edit and Define Pattern. Then go to the Filters menu and maybe Filter Gallery. Select a filter, any filter, multiple different filters, and then go to Edit and Define Pattern. I'll just undo that. And also you can go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, just change the colour. And again, Edit and Define Pattern. Once you've done that, go to Edit and Fill, maybe set to black or white, click OK. Go to the Pattern Stamp tool, set the brush, set blending mode, set opacity, flow, etc. and also go to the patterns. Now you can apply the original source design, there's the original image. You can also select any of the other designs. A key option here to have on is aligned, unless you want the image to be all over the place. Aligned is definitely key. So you can then see you've got your colourful design there, kryptonite colour. Or select maybe the halftone effect, and so on and so on. So you can quickly add on and brush stroke all kinds of designs very quick and easy, like the wave design there. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.